We are going to do the validate procedure. Okay, the validate procedure is to validate a number for us. So when the user enters a value, an integer value into a edit box or somewhere, we can validate it before we convert it to a string. I'm going to make a variable I code. It's going to be integer and a variable I num. Okay, so when I click on this button, I'm going to call the VAL procedure. It has 3 parameters. First one is a string and then 2 integers. So the value that I want to test is edit1.text, and I want to try and put it into inum. Okay, so it's going to take the value that the user entered and he's going to try to put it in inum. If it is successful, iCode will get a value of 0. If it's not successful, iCode will get a value bigger than 0. Okay, so let's say I enter the value B, the character B, iCode will get the value of 1 because that is where the first mistake was found. Okay, let me just show message quickly here. Show message iCode. Right, let's enter the value 5. So iCode will have the value of 0 because there were no mistakes. But let's say I enter the value A. It's going to show me 1 because he found the error at character 1. I make it like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I put a B or something. It should return us a value of 5. Okay. So now we can use this with our if statement. You can say if iCode is not equals to 0, that means that there were errors somewhere. Then we can just notify the user that something is not wrong. Please enter value age. You can maybe put the focus back into the edit box. You can clear it maybe, and then maybe set the focus back. Set focus and stop the program of running, because if you don't stop the program and you continue running, you are going to get a runtime error. So you can validate that value before we continue by using a VAL statement and testing it with an if, and then you can stop, or if everything is fine, then you can continue.